back to my channel. Again, to all my new subscribers, hey everyone, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today is going to be a cranberry hair unboxing video. Let's get into the video. So it's going to be a unboxing video. So I got this hair from AliExpress. I purchased it with my own money. Cranberry Hair hasn't paid me to do this video. I have just done this video, paid with it with my own money. So I wanted to review it for you guys. I haven't actually installed it yet, so when I install it I will do another video on that, like updates on like shedding, tangling, thickness, how it washes, that kind of thing. But I wanted to show you it fresh out the bag. Right, so it came in this cute little bag here, and it says choose beauty, choose cranberry. I saw so many reviews on cranberry hair, so I thought let me try it, you know, and it's so affordable. I got 3 bundles and a closure, so it was like 3 bundles and a closure for like £85. If you're in America, that's like $100. It's literally like no money. But I wanted to try it. Obviously with like hair that is a bit more cheap, you don't expect it to be like amazing, but this one is. And this one is, I believe, Brazilian straight. And I got 3 bundles of 20 inches and a closure which is 18 inches. I do not wear frontals because I'm afraid of them, and it's too much maintenance for me. I just like a closure and I sew my hair down. So yeah, these are the bundles. They're very thick, like top to bottom. Normally I get bundles that are like 20 inches and they go really sparse. And this is a 1B color, but it looks quite dark. My hair is jet black at the moment, and in comparison it's dark. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. At the moment no shedding, but obviously it's not going to shed because it's bound quite tight. But once you install it, that's when you'll see the shedding and everything. There is no tangling. It's a slight smell, but it's nothing that you don't expect from like Brazilian hair and Peruvian hair. Like it's what it is. That's how it is. Yeah, and I got 3 bundles, so I don't know if I should have got 4. I don't like my hair incredibly thick, even though it's not my real hair. I do want it to look somewhat natural. So, and this is 20 inches, so I'm thinking it's gonna come up. I'm thinking it's gonna come up to just like under my rib cage, which I'm excited for. I will not be dyeing this hair, so how it is how it will be. I don't really dye my hair. This hair came black. I do not dye my hair jet black until maybe months and months down the line when I'm a bit bored. But yeah, I'm excited. I am very excited. Love the thickness, love the movement. The density is good as well. I don't know how thick it will be when I put it in, but we shall see. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it curls and how it straightens, because I love to style my hair. We'll show you the closure as well. So the closure, the knots are not bleached. So you can see the knots are unbleached, but I like the color of the lace is good. I always add a bit of foundation to the lace as well, so it matches, so it blends and matches, because I'm dark. I don't want it to look like really light, but the way it's looking, it looks good. This hair looks nice, to be honest. I think this is 18. I mean, the ends of the closure are a bit thin, but it's only a closure, like only a small density of hair. Like it's only literally like a few grams. It's nothing major like the bundle. So I'm looking forward to installing this. I don't know if I'll bleach the knots or no, because I don't really have luck with bleaching knots. So I might just put some foundation in it and call it a day. And it also came with a wig cap, 2 pieces, which I'm loving. Also came with these lashes, which I will not be wearing, but I'll put them in my kit, so someone will benefit from these lashes. Yeah, I'm excited to install it. I am actually going to take out this hair today, and I'm going to basically do the same hairstyle, because I always do the same hairstyle. I always do a middle part, and yeah, so I'm just going to basically redo this hairstyle, take it all out, wash it, and then install it, and then I will film another video when I have installed it and given it maybe a few days. So yeah, I'll give you a week update and probably a month update, see how it goes. But I got this hair on AliExpress. Like I said, it was 3 bundles and a closure for £85 or so. They were doing a special deal, but they always have deals on AliExpress, always sales, so check it out. I'm really looking forward to installing it, so I'll see you when I've installed it. Thank you guys for watching. It was just a quick video just to let you guys know how the hair is. Out of 10 so far, I would give the hair like a 9 out of 10 because of the thickness. I love the colour. There's not that many you know, like random hair strands, like different colours in here, which I love. Came with 2 wig caps as well. The closure is nice. So yeah, I'll give it 9 out of 10 for now. And obviously when I install it, I will give you guys an update. Thank you so much again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.